the next morning, and that Rust-Oleum stuff's been doing its thing overnight. I'll plug this in. Some power happening. We'll have a look at it. I'm doing some painting today. It's a bit cold, so I'll probably put the heater in here, I reckon. But yeah, the bits of rust that were left down the bottom through here have turned black, which is just neutral. A little bit in this corner I might have missed with that that stuff, so I might just scrape that out a bit more. Yeah, it's ready for priming now, so I think the biggest problem is I don't actually have any primer, so might just be painting straight on that also. I'm probably doing this again in a year. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'm gonna get the heater, warm it up a bit in there because it's freezing. And put it on the bench top here. It's gonna stay there. Alright, heater. Close the door. Start taping it out. Alright, totally forgot to prep that metal, so it was just the crazing and stuff for straight up, so wait 90 minutes for that prep to go off, then we'll come back to this. In the meantime, I might start putting the planks on that bed over there, so let's do that. Cool, bed frame's done. I mean, I'm only gonna do one coat, it's under a mattress, right? I already did 2 on raw pine. So that's done. And then it's been an hour and a bit, so back to this thing. I just totally forgot to film that, but I mean, it wasn't that exciting. Just spray painted the outside after it had been primed, so just finished it then, and still wet. So got the heater going, let it sit for 20-30 minutes, take the tape off, and I can keep going around with the touching up the white and the rest of this blue. Hopefully I've prepped that piece, which is the door card for the fridge, so I can paint that blue as well. And I might, while I'm waiting for that to go off, I might paint these tops white. That should be pretty easy. It's a bit diabolical here in the moment. There's wet stuff everywhere and I'm trying to get paint on me, but those are done. Those 3 things. The front of the fridge has had its 3rd coat. That looks pretty good. Just try not to get any more paint on that. I've just poured this darker blue oolong colour in to the paint pot, and I'm going to paint this door card and do the rest of the kitchen with the 2nd coat. And I'm not sure yet how I'm going to do down the sides of the fridges. Like, it's super pokey in there without getting that bit white. You get that little 20mm piece oolong, so that'll be fun. Well, that's 2 coats of that oolong, and yeah, it looks pretty good. There's a couple of bits I went over again, so I have to go back to white and touch them up, just on the top of that little shelf there, and then just along the side here I've probably gone over a bit, and I've got to take off some of the black overspray in the fridge, which should be pretty easy with some thinners. And I think that's all the blue surfaces done. Door card's done, just the drawers later, which I'll do the drawers another weekend with all the white drawers. I'll probably just spray them to get them done quicker. But yeah, I think that's all good. I'll let that go off. It's pretty warm in here. Man, I can't wait for this painting to be done. It's been taking forever. But I think that's where I'll leave it, because I've got to go out this afternoon. So hopefully next weekend we can do some more stuff that isn't painting. It might be a bit more interesting. I might skip over the painting for a bit. It's a lot of painting. So see you next weekend. Pulling the plug.